So guys, for the first method, make sure that your camera is actually plugged in. For the second method, you want to unplug it and then plug it back in again. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in camera privacy settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, make sure that you have camera access turned on. And make sure that you have let apps access your camera also turned on. If you find the application that you want to use your camera for, make sure that you have that also turned on. For the next method, you want to scroll down and then select camera device settings. Make sure you can see your camera in this list. If you don't see it, then you want to click on search for cameras. And if your camera does appear, then you want to select your camera. Make sure that it's not been disabled. So if it tells you right here to enable it, you want to click on enable, which will then enable your camera. You can also click on troubleshoot. And now this will come up. You want to select troubleshoot camera in Windows 11. And you can follow through the steps that will come up which are most applicable to you. See if that works. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand cameras. Now you want to find your webcam. You want to right click on it and then click on update driver. And then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that the best drivers have been installed. If that's still not working, then we're going to go back. And then click on browse my computer for drivers. And then click on let me pick from a list. If you see any drivers that come up here, you can try them. So click on it and then click on next. And you want to install that, see if that works. There may also be some drivers for your camera that you can find online if you just search for it online. For the last method, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. Now, you just want to restart your computer, come back into Windows, and then hopefully that will fix your problem.